Teflon and pipe doped the drip leg piece by piece.
These are the earthquake straps.
Added the brass T, Teflon and pipe dope for the expansion tank.
And then
Put the
reconnect for the
pan.
water. It's going to be expansion tank and reconnect for the
What's
water.
that, a nipple or something?
Yep, it's a big long one and a 90. Strap. We're going to do the earthquake strap. You got to do one minimum 18 inches. 18 inches from top or bottom. Maximum.
18 inches down?
Yeah.
Or 18 inches?
Both.
Doesn't matter.
Top and bottom. We got to do two of them. I have to double check the code book for that.
Show me.
And when gas is done, we hook this up like that, and gas is all done.
What'd you do here? You added this thing. You're about to solder. You move this a little bit. And where's this going?
Up top here, we're gonna put that in there. The better you clean the fitting, the easier it is to solder it.